Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the beat effect transition on CapCut Pro. So firstly, open up the app CapCut Pro and create a new movie. Choose whichever resolution you want, but I'm going to choose a square. Click done, and then you're going to add in a photo or a video. And you could zoom in on the photo if it's not already matched up to the edges. I like it better. It looks much more professional like that. And now you're gonna click the wand, and then create a custom transition. So you're gonna add it to wherever in the photo or video you want it to be. And then once you've done that, you're gonna go to the second arrow, and you're gonna zoom in. And you're going to duplicate this as much times as you want, and that should do it.